Google Drive has a new project feature in beta. It's meant to help organize your files to better work with Gemini. So we'll click on Create a Project, name our project, and it'll look through Google Drive to identify files that'll be useful to our project. So we'll click on this plus sign on the right here, add more sources. We'll click on Create. So it's supposed to help give Gemini better context around workflow automation, creating workflows with Google Workspace, and perhaps to compete with platforms like Microsoft Copilot Cowork or automation platforms like Make.com and NAN. So now we can ask Gemini questions about our files and perform analysis. This file icon in the prompt field opens and closes the panel on the left. If you want to add more files, click on the search settings and you can see all the platforms that you can search. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.